Sir.
Oh.
May I be of assistance?
Oh, yes. Oh, waiter. You know, this is my girlfriend. You know her? Well, it's our birthday. And I was wondering if you could join me in singing the happy birthday chorus for her.
No, sir. That sort of thing is never done here.
Oh, you mean it's never done here? Well, I see a sign over there so that says the customers is always right. Am I not paying customer?
Please keep your voice down.
Is my money not welcome?
Please keep your voice down, sir.
So what, you're going to join me or you're not going to join me?
I'll try to assist you, sir.
Now that's better. Now, after 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, hold on. Look here. Norman, I am singing lower. I am singing in the baritone. So you have to sing higher. Go up into the falsetto.
False what, sir?
Falsetto, man. You don't know what falsetto is. It's like this. Happy birthday to you. All right? No, go in night. Happy birthday. No, man, you know if you sing down in the baritone, if you go up into the falsetto. Well, now, take the falsetto and make go for the baritone. Happy birthday. All right. Let me take the falsetto and then you struggle on with the baritone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Molly. Happy birthday to you. That's nice to that.
You feel good now? Eh? You feel good? See, you come and make with a puppy show inside the place. See, everybody a point and when all a clap.
That's Mary, man. You too share me.
Oliver.
No, man. It's the air conditioning it giving me a warm time.
Oliver, you see the people in the skin of them face. They walk, man.
Relax, Mary, man. You're too full. You can't shame take off, man. And now you tell me to take off the hat and see then now. The mouth, it affect me mouth. Mary, there is lipstick on your glass.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that can't be affair.
Oh, God, I think I'm going to throw up.
What wrong with you? Is the drinks? Me not warn you about them big drinks the way you know harder than Mary. And this now is a birthday, so I don't want to spoil the celebration. But remind me to talk to you about them cream business what you're drinking and them bamboo shoot what you're eating tomorrow.
You're drunk.
I'm drunk? No, man. I'm not drunk. I'm just feeling happy.
Excuse me?
It's what this? I want you about hot water, so.
Wonton soup, sir.
Who ordered this thing?
It comes with the meal, sir.
Free?
You pay for it, sort of, in the meal.
Oh. Cha. Oops.
Oh, no.
It's why you're getting so excited, fam. You never see black wonton soup yet?
No.
There is something like my wonton soup, man. Black and thick and rich. Cha. I'm gonna with this spoon. That was good. It soon wrote up the gas. Wait, Mary, them a dumpling have been meat, man.
I feel like a fish out of water.
What happened? You don't want the soup?
I just lost my appetite now.
Okay, now, Mary. It seems like you come here to waste my partner money. Just give me this. Tell me something. Why not drinking the drinks? All the cream must have come out tight and melt away now.
The ball?
Oh, over here.